Hi everybody, my name is Grace. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make my roast. You guys call it kebab. Where I'm from, we call it roast, and I'm from West Africa, Sierra Leone. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to cut my steak to bite-sized pieces, just to the point that you can able to barbecue it or grill it. So I have all my steak here. I'm going to go ahead and put my steak in a bowl here. Then after I put my steak in the bowl, the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna season it. I'm gonna do a teaspoon of salt and put it right there. I'm gonna do a tablespoon of garlic. And then I'm gonna do a teaspoon of my ginger. And I have my teaspoon that I'm gonna do a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Sprinkle it all over. And now I'm gonna go ahead and mix it. And so you guys can see. So I want all the ginger and everything get inside of it. So I'm just gonna set this aside, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start to make my peanut butter sauce. So first of all, for this peanut butter sauce, I'm gonna grab a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of ginger. Next, I'm gonna take 1 cup of peanut butter. And if you want to do this recipe, make sure that you have the natural peanut butter, no sugars. If you have the one with sugar, it won't come out good. So yeah, let's go ahead and put that for you there. And then we're gonna go ahead and mix and just try to put everything in to get mixed. I'm gonna go ahead and put a 1/4 cup of Primal Kitchen avocado oil. That is my favorite that I like to use. So if you can see, I'm just gonna dump that right there. Mush that in. This is a very simple recipe. It's not like a very hard recipe at all. You can do this with friends. You can do this with kids. And then now, my favorite among everything is my Primal Kitchen ketchup. I used to do tomato paste, but for some reason I start trying this. I am in love with it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a 1/2 cup of my ketchup right in here. I'm gonna place that there, and I'm gonna put my 1/2 cup. Perfect. Give me nice and creamy color that I want. Next, I'm gonna take 1 onion and cut my onion in 4 pieces. So I'm gonna do in the middle. Then I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna cut it again on the side. Then now, it leaves me with 4 pieces of onion. So what am I gonna do? So I'm gonna hold the 4 pieces of the onion, one of it, and then I'm gonna chop right in the middle. Right in the middle. So now I get my onion all cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my onion aside. The next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and cut my bell pepper. So let's go ahead and do that. There's not like a specific way you can cut your bell pepper. You can do your bell pepper anyhow you want to. So I got my bell pepper all cut. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab my steak and put it in the peanut butter sauce that I just made. Then I'm gonna mix them all together so it can give me that nice creamy taste. So now I have my steak and my peanut butter sauce that I made earlier. So now I'm gonna put them in it. If you love peanut butter like me, this is another way to try it. So I have put all my peanut butter here, and I've put my steak in here. I have everything ready. So the next thing that I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab my kebab sticks. So I'm gonna put 1 pepper, and I'm gonna put 1 onion, and then I'm gonna go ahead and grab 1 steak and put it there, and then I'm gonna do the same here. So this is how my kebab turned out, and now I'm gonna take my kebab to the barbecue and cook it for about 10 to 15 minutes. So this is my kebab. They're all done. And this is how they're looking. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. So thank you for watching. I can't wait to try this with my kids. You guys have a good and blessed day. Thank you. Bye.